Hi everyone, I'm Olivia and welcome to my channel Learning with Liv. Happy Easter everyone! I hope the Easter Bunny visits everyone's homes no matter how young or old you are, because it's always nice to give and receive every now and then. So in today's how-to video, we're going to be learning how to make hot cross bun French toast with homemade Easter eggs. So we're going to be learning two things in this video. The first thing is how to make your own chocolate Easter eggs. And this costs just $1.89 per 100 grams instead of gifting store-bought eggs for $2.83. You can also use the family-sized Cadbury block of chocolate, which is even cheaper at $1.43 per 100 grams. The second thing we're going to learn is how to make hot cross bun French toast. And it's basically the same as normal French toast, but this time with traditional or fruitless hot cross buns. Now, I like the idea of making your own Easter eggs because not only are you saving money, but you're gifting something that's homemade and made with love. And you can either gift the Easter eggs as an Easter present, or you can make this meal at home for yourself and for your family for an Easter breakfast treat. So now we're gonna hop on over to the kitchen and let's get learning with Liv. So the first thing we need to do is prepare our ingredients. We need to wash our fruit, cut 6 hot cross buns in half, pour 3/4 of a cup of milk and soften 40 grams of butter. We also need to make sure there's a microwave handy and that our chocolate molds are nice and dry. Now I had some stashed away, but I also purchased some silicone molds from Spotlight. And these were a little bit more expensive compared to the plastic molds, but they are equally as easy to use. So the second thing we're going to do is melt and temper our chocolate. So we're going to go ahead and place half a packet of the chocolate buttons in a microwave safe jug or bowl. And then we're going to heat the chocolate in the microwave for 30-second increments, stirring well in between. And we're going to repeat this process until half of the chocolate buttons are liquid and the other half is solid chocolate. Then we're going to stir the chocolate to melt the remaining buttons and create a smooth mixture. And this step will vary depending on which brand of chocolate buttons you use and your microwave wattage. So while the chocolate is still hot, we're going to quickly fill the egg molds with the mixed chocolate until they're completely full. And my mum is kindly giving me a hand with this step to speed up the process a little bit. And if your chocolate is still a little bit thick, then it's okay to spoon in the mixture. Next, tap the mold on the bench to eliminate any air bubbles and to even out the chocolate covering. Then scrape the top surface of the mold to get rid of the excess chocolate and create a nice even top. This is especially important if you want to join 2 pieces of chocolate together at the end. In step 4, we're going to place the chocolate into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to fully set and allow the chocolate to contract from the mold. In the meantime, we're going to get a head start on our hot cross bun French toast. Now we're going to put a large non-stick frying pan over medium heat and whisk the eggs and milk in a large bowl until combined. Next, we're going to heat 20 grams of butter in the fry pan. Then we're going to add 3 full hot cross buns to the egg mixture, turning each one to coat. And cook the buns for 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown. And repeat this step with the remaining butter, buns and egg mixture. Once cooked, stack them on a plate and set them aside. Now we're going to grab our eggs out of the fridge and let them sit at room temperature for 2 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to drizzle some honey over the stack of hot cross bun French toast and add your desired fruit. Lastly, once the eggs have settled to room temperature, just pop them out of the mold and add to your hot cross bun French toast to decorate. And voila! Here we've made hot cross bun French toast with homemade chocolate Easter eggs. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Enjoy.